Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mixed rice dish. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of rice, a variety of vegetables such as carrots and beans, and your choice of protein like chicken or tofu. Ensure all your vegetables are washed and chopped into bite-sized pieces, and have your favorite spices measured out and ready to go. Next, cook your rice according to package directions, aiming for a fluffy texture. While the rice cooks, heat a large pan with a tablespoon of oil. Add your protein and cook until browned, then toss in your chopped vegetables. Sauté these until they are tender crisp. Now, it's time to introduce your chosen spices, stirring them in for about 1 minute until fragrant. Once your rice is cooked and your vegetables are sautéed, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the cooked rice to the pan with the protein and vegetables. Using a large spoon or spatula, gently fold all the ingredients together. Ensure the spices and flavors are evenly distributed throughout the rice. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding a pinch more salt or pepper if needed. Finally, your delicious mixed rice is ready to be served. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh cilantro, chopped green onions, or crispy fried shallots. Serve it warm as a complete meal on its own, or pair it with a side dish like a simple raita or a fresh salad. This easy guide helps you create a satisfying and flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.